Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Snapchat map options. So what is Snapchat map and how to use Snapchat map option? So if you want to know the map option of Snapchat is for what, so I will show you what is this and how to use it. So when you open the Snapchat application, as you can see in the bottom top left corner, you will find this map option. If you tap on it and your map will open, it will tell you the currently location here. So as you can see, my currently location is showing here and you will find the other options here as well. So I'm going to show you some options. So if I tap on this places icon, it will show me the popular places around me here. And if you tap on this friends icon, I can track any of my friends location in Snapchat. As you can see, there are a lot of friends here and I can track their location. Now let's say I want to track his location. If I tap on it, and as you can see, it's showing me his location. So if you want to track any of your friends location, you can simply do this. And if you go to the upper section, you can see this gear icon. If you tap on it, you will find this first option, ghost mode. So if your ghost mode option is enabled, no one is actually enabled to view your live location. If you disable this, and as you can see, you will find these three options: my friends accept, and only these friends. If I tap on my friends, and now only my friends can see my live location, and if no one is in my friend list will not able to see my location. And now if I tap on this my friend accept, and now let's say I want to hide my live location from these pupils, I can select them and tap on this save button. Now these four people won't able to see my live location. And the third option is only these friends. So let's say I want to share my live location only these two, so I will just select them and tap on this save button, and now only these two people are able to view and see my live location. So that's how you can set your ghost mode option. Now if we go back on the map, so as you can see, these are some options on the map of Snapchat application. So that's how you can use Snapchat map option. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.